Welcome back to Grammar Grade 7. This is Unit 5, Lesson 34, part of our unit on adjectives and adverbs. Today we meet a small but powerful kind of word called the intensifier. Think of it as a volume knob for your writing. It takes an adjective or an adverb and turns the dial up, telling your reader exactly to what degree. By the end, you'll spot an intensifier at a glance and know precisely what it's strengthening. Let's get started. So, what exactly is an intensifier? An intensifier is a special kind of adverb, but it has one very particular job. Instead of describing an action, it emphasizes an adjective or another adverb sitting next to it. It answers the question, to what degree? Think of it like a volume knob. The intensifier turns the dial up on the word beside it, making tall become very tall, or quickly become extremely quickly. It strengthens. It intensifies. That's exactly where the name comes from. Every intensifier is really answering one question. To what degree? Picture a dial. Start with a plain adjective, like warm. That's just warm, a normal amount. Now add an intensifier. Very warm. We've turned the dial up a notch. Add a stronger one. Extremely warm. Now the dial is cranked way up. Same weather, but each intensifier tells us how much, to what degree the thing is warm. Here's the clearest way to feel what an intensifier does. Take a sentence without one. The hikers were tired. That tells us they were worn out, plain and simple. Now drop an intensifier in. The hikers were extremely tired. Suddenly, we know just how tired, completely worn out, right at the limit. The word extremely didn't change what they felt. It raised the degree of it. That is the whole power of an intensifier. Let's watch an intensifier do its main job. The chili tasted extremely spicy. The word spicy is an adjective describing the chili. So, how spicy? Extremely spicy. The intensifier extremely tells us the degree, and the arrow points straight to the adjective spicy, cranking it up. An intensifier loves to sit right beside an adjective and strengthen it. An intensifier can also strengthen another adverb. Listen. She finished quite quickly. The word quickly is an adverb. It tells how she finished. The intensifier quite raises the degree of the adverb quickly, and the arrow runs from quite over to quickly. So an intensifier can attach to an adjective or to another adverb. Either way, it turns the dial. Let's meet the intensifiers you'll see most often, so you can recognize them instantly. Here's the first row. Very, really, quite, rather, to, and so. Then a second group. Extremely, almost, nearly, and just. And a few more. Practically, somewhat, and such. You don't have to memorize every one, but the more of these you recognize, the faster you'll spot an intensifier turning the dial on an adjective or adverb. Now, one crucial rule. An intensifier never modifies a verb. It only strengthens an adjective or an adverb. Listen to what goes wrong. He very sprinted. That sounds broken, doesn't it? Very has nothing to grab onto here, because sprinted is a verb, not an adjective or adverb. To fix it, give the intensifier an adverb to work on. He sprinted very quickly. Now very strengthens the adverb quickly, and everything clicks. So remember, an intensifier needs an adjective or adverb, never a verb. Let's boil it all down to a quick check. First, look for an adjective or an adverb in the sentence. Second, ask whether some word is cranking that adjective or adverb up or down, telling you to what degree. Third, if a word is doing that strengthening, it's your intensifier. And always remember the guardrail. An intensifier works on an adjective or an adverb, and it never modifies a verb. Ready to practice a few together? Time to practice. In this first set, read each sentence and pick out the intensifier, the word that strengthens an adjective or an adverb by telling to what degree. Pause the video and choose before I reveal the answer. The lake was extremely calm this morning. Which word is the intensifier? The adjective here is calm, describing the lake, and extremely tells us to what degree, how calm the lake was. So extremely is the intensifier, strengthening calm. So the answer is extremely. They arrived quite early for the concert. Look for the word that raises the degree. Early is an adverb, telling when they arrived. Quite cranks it up. Quite early. So quite is the intensifier here, working on the adverb early. So the answer is quite. The directions were rather confusing. Confusing is an adjective describing the directions, and rather tells us to what degree, rather confusing. So rather is the intensifier, turning up the adjective confusing. So the answer is rather. In this second set, each sentence has an intensifier. Your job is to decide what it strengthens, an adjective or another adverb. Pause and decide before I answer. The tea was too hot to drink. The intensifier is too. What does it strengthen? Hot. And hot is an adjective describing the tea. So too is turning up an adjective. So the answer is an adjective. She spoke very softly during the film. The intensifier is very. What does it strengthen? Softly. And softly is an adverb, telling how she spoke. So very is turning up an adverb. So the answer is an adverb. He almost always wins the race. The intensifier is almost. What does it strengthen? Always. And always is an adverb, telling how often he wins. So almost is working on an adverb. So the answer is an adverb. Let's gather up what we learned. An intensifier is a special kind of adverb, and its job is to emphasize an adjective or another adverb, telling us to what degree. It works like a volume knob, turning the dial up or down. Tired becomes extremely tired, and quickly becomes quite quickly. And never forget the guardrail. An intensifier never modifies a verb. It only strengthens an adjective or an adverb. Great work today in Unit 5, Lesson 34. I'll see you in the next lesson.